Sure, here's an extended description of the Tour de France. Tour de France, the iconic cycling race. The Tour de France, often referred to as Le Tour or Le Grand Boucle, is the pinnacle of professional cycling and one of the most grueling and celebrated sporting events in the world. Founded in 1903 by Henri de Grange, a French journalist and cyclist, the race was originally created to boost the circulation of the newspaper Loto. Over the decades, it has evolved into a global spectacle, capturing the imaginations of millions of fans worldwide. Structure and format. The Tour de France typically spans 23 days in July, including 21 stages and 2 rest days. The race covers approximately 500 kilometers to 200 miles and traverses a diverse range of terrains, from flat coastal plains to the towering peaks of the Alps and Pyrenees. Each stage is meticulously planned to test the riders' endurance, speed, and tactical acumen. The stages are divided into several categories. Flat stages, ideal for sprinters, these stages usually conclude with a high-speed dash to the finish line. Hilly stages. These stages feature rolling terrain and are often decided by breakaways and small group sprints. Mountain stages, these are the most challenging with steep climbs and high altitudes. They often determine the overall race winner. Individual time trials, ITT. Riders race against the clock individually, testing their time trialing skills. Team time trials, TTT. Teams race together against the clock, emphasizing teamwork and coordination. Jerseys and classifications. Several competitions and classifications within the Tour de France make it unique and exciting. Yellow jersey, maillot jaune, awarded to the overall race leader based on cumulative time. Green jersey, maillot vert, given to the leader of the points classification, favoring consistent high finishes and intermediate sprints. Polka dot jersey, maillot à pois rouge, worn by the best climber, awarded to the rider with the most points in mountain stages. White jersey, maillot blanc, awarded to the best young rider under the age of 26, based on overall time. Combativity award, recognizes the most aggressive rider who makes frequent attacks and breakaways. Team classification, calculated by adding the times of the best 3 riders from each team on each stage. Iconic stages and landmarks. The Tour de France is renowned for its breathtaking scenery and challenging routes. Some of the most iconic stages and landmarks include Alpe d'Huez, famous for its 21 hairpin bends and punishing gradient. This climb is a fan favorite. Mont Ventoux, known as the Giant of Provence, its lunar landscape and steep ascents make it a legendary stage. Champs-Élysées, the final stage in Paris, where the race concludes with a prestigious sprint finish on one of the world's most famous avenues. Col du Tourmalet, one of the highest and most daunting mountain passes in the Pyrenees. Col de l'Iseron, the highest paved pass in the Alps and a frequent feature in the race. Historical moments and legends. The Tour de France has a rich history filled with dramatic moments and legendary riders. Some of the most notable figures include Eddy Merckx, the Belgian cannibal, who won the Tour 5 times and is considered one of the greatest cyclists of all time. Bernard Hinault, the French champion who also claimed 5 victories, known for his aggressive riding style. Miguel Indurain, the Spanish rider who dominated the race in the early 1990s with 5 consecutive wins. Lance Armstrong, originally a 7-time winner, his titles were later stripped due to doping violations. Chris Froome, a 4-time winner known for his tactical prowess and climbing ability. Challenges and controversies. The Tour de France has not been without its challenges and controversies. The race has faced issues related to doping, with several high-profile cases tarnishing the sport's reputation. The organizers have implemented stringent anti-doping measures to restore the integrity of the competition. Additionally, the race's demanding nature has led to numerous crashes and injuries. Riders face extreme physical and mental stress, often racing in adverse weather conditions and through treacherous terrain. Cultural impact. The Tour de France is more than just a sporting event. It is a cultural phenomenon. It brings together diverse communities, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the regions it passes through. The race attracts millions of spectators who line the route to cheer on their favorite riders. It also generates significant economic impact, boosting tourism and local businesses. The race has inspired numerous books, films, and documentaries, capturing its drama, beauty, and complexity. the Tour de France is a symbol of human endurance, teamwork, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Modern developments. In recent years, the Tour de France has embraced modern technology and media to enhance the fan experience. Live broadcasts, real-time data analytics, and social media engagement have made the race more accessible and interactive. Innovations in cycling technology, such as aerodynamic bikes and advanced training methods, have also influenced the race dynamics. Environmental initiatives. Recognizing the importance of sustainability, the Tour de France has undertaken various environmental initiatives. Efforts to reduce the race's carbon footprint include promoting eco-friendly transportation, minimizing waste, and protecting natural landscapes along the route. Conclusion. The Tour de France stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of cycling and the human spirit. Its rich history, challenging routes, and vibrant culture make it a unique and captivating event. Whether you're a cycling enthusiast or a casual observer, the Tour de France offers an unparalleled spectacle of athleticism, strategy, and resilience. This description provides a comprehensive overview of the Tour de France, touching on its history, structure, iconic stages, legendary riders, challenges, cultural impact, modern developments, and environmental initiatives.